So guys, ito daw yung parang measurement nila ng water level sa dam kung magpapakawala na sila. Oh my god. Ang taas pala. Bigla ako natakot. So ito yung old fashioned way, sinauna. Andito tayo sa Kom Ombo Temple, part pa rin ng Aswan. At pagbalik natin ng ating cruise ship ay tutulak na naman tayo sa ating susunod na destinasyon. Panoorin nyo ha. Huwag sanang malaglag yung phone ko. Bismillah. Taas. Okay lang. Okay, baba kayo dyan guys. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Please subscribe to my YouTube. It's absolutely for free. Share to our kababayan so we can spread blessings with our own little way. Thank you very much. Please take care. Bye bye. See you on our next video.